Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to give you a complete review of Amplenote. Alright, let's begin. So, first let's talk about features. Amplenote is a note-taking and productivity app that combines notes, tasks, and calendars in one place. It allows you to create richly formatted notes, add to-do lists with due dates, and link notes together using bi-directional linking. One of the key features is the task score system, which helps prioritize tasks based on urgency and importance. It also supports offline access, end-to-end encryption, and syncing across devices. Pros: all in one tool for notes, tasks, and calendar. Strong privacy features with end-to-end encryption. Task score system helps with smart prioritization. Supports backlinks and note linking. Fast and responsive interface. Cons: user interface may feel complex to new users. Mobile app lacks some desktop features. Limited third-party integrations compared to competitors. Pricing: Amplenote offers multiple pricing tiers. Free basic note taking with limited features. Essentials $6/month with task calendar features. Pro $12/month for advanced features and more storage. Ultimate $24/month with full access and premium support. Each plan comes with a free trial so you can try it before upgrading. So that's basically the complete review of Amplenote. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.